Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks, and in today's video we are going to do analysis on Nifty, Bank Nifty, and I'm going to give you one stock for buy and one stock for sell. And friends, if you have still not subscribed to the channel, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and also share it with your friends and family members, relatives, basically anyone who is looking forward to learn how to trade and make money out by trading, friends. So in yesterday's video, friends, I gave you HCL Tech for a sell. Okay, wonderful downward momentum, good price action here, wonderful downward momentum like this, followed by good price action and again a closure at this area as we rightly expected, and that means our target was clearly hit. Okay, I told you that we will expect a target of this particular support zone, and yes, we reached there. Coming to L&T, friends, I gave it for buy. I told you that this is one of the breakout, and I gave you another breakout which is this one, followed by a double touch, and then you see it has gone straight down. Alright, a sad story. Yes, stop loss got hit. Anyone who would have traded this L&T would have definitely made a loss. But here, note one point, friends. Now Nifty was weak. Bank Nifty was weak. Okay. So, do you think our stock L&T will go up? Okay, once in a while, yes, whenever, even when market is weak, I gave few stocks which were very strong and which met the target. But then when the entire market is weak, you should not be expecting buy stocks to go and meet their targets, friends. Okay, so it's like sailing against the river, against the field. So if everything is going down, you are expecting something to go up, which is logically not right. Simple. I hope that is, I made it very simple, and I usually make things simple because difficult things is something that I myself don't do. Anyways, coming back to analysis for today, I told you, friends, Nifty on a full day, 1 day time chart, I told you that there is something called a evening star candle. Okay, this was the candle. I showed you this candle yesterday, and evening star candle gave its result today, straight down. Similar was the story with Nifty in a daily time frame. Evening star candle and the result done. What next is the question. Coming back to 5 minutes, friends. So here let's move to 30 minutes. Let me delete all this. Now see, friends, this was your bottom and our top is there. So we are pulling up a Fibo from the bottom to the top. Now this much of momentum is still pending, friends. And this momentum will be done, post which there can be, this is some called retracement, friends. That's when it will start its movement upwards. Similar is the story with Bank Nifty on a 30 minutes time frame, wherein there was a continuous bull run, and yes, if I draw a Fibo, it is looking something similar. Okay. So here also we have this much of momentum which is still pending. And if you have seen the video, friends, in this area, okay, look at that video. I clearly told you in this area, in this particular video, which was close to on the 10th or on the 11th here, somewhere here, friends, okay. I clearly told you that this is where Bank Nifty has gone up with a very good rally, and there has to be some kind of a profit booking that is due now. Okay, this was an attempt. Okay, it got failed and it went till here. But next day what happened? There was a gap up followed by an upward momentum. So again, I'm telling you, this was the level where I told you that that the stocks might show some kind of weakness. And I also told you that this is the place where one should be protecting the profits and the principal. Okay, so we have seen a good downfall till the same levels. And are we expecting some more? The answer is yes, at least till here, and the second retracement level is still here, friends. So are we expecting 36,900? Probably not so early. It might take some time, but this is an easy achievable target, friends. Okay, so that's the view on Bank Nifty. So how would we trade now? Now see, friends, this was a flag. Oops, sorry. This was a flag, and this was your flag. This was your pole and this was your flag, followed by downward momentum. How much is the momentum? The momentum is equivalent to the size of the flag. So look at the size of the flag. Let me pick up the flag and move it downwards. Okay, if I zoom it backwards, exactly is the levels that we are talking about. Okay, so I hope you understood this logic, friends. And how will we trade on this? Now there are multiple ways to trade, friends. There is weakness, definitely yes. Now if looking at the global market, what do we see? We see little negativity here, and we see negativity in SGX Nifty also. So there is high chance that we will straight open somewhere at this levels. Then what to do? That is when we look at the price action and then take our decisions towards buy or sell, friends. Now simple, friends, we'll draw a simple trend line here. Look at this trend line. So this trend line is something that we can achieve if it is starting somewhere here upwards. Okay, and I'm going to draw a few more trend lines to keep things very clear for you guys. Let me clear all this. Okay, and see, look at this, friends. Now this two bottoms touched, so we have a straight target of this trend line, followed by a target of this trend line. Okay, these two touch points, are they achievable? The answer is yes, they are achievable. And if you look at this trend line, it's already a breakdown given. We don't have to think about a breakdown at all. Anything above this we can go ahead and short. When will we create a long position? That's a big question. Now see, on 30 minutes we will not get any long position, friends. We have to look at it on a 5-minute time frame. Now if you see this trend line breaking, okay, I hope that is clear. If this trend line is broken, followed by a retest, if it comes till here, breaks it, it faces its resistance here and retraces till this trend line, that is when we'll create a buy position for a upward momentum and this gap filling, friends, and our target will be somewhere at this levels. Possibility of it doing that tomorrow is little less, so we will be looking at a sell position only for these two targets, friends. Nifty, similar story. This would be your target number 1. Okay, target number 2, do we consider this one? We can, but not in one day. It might take some time because there is a gap here, and I have showed you in multiple videos how it reacts on a gap. It comes till there, goes up, and then comes there, goes up, and finally breaks the gap and goes down, friends. That's how we trade on gaps. Hope you understood the logic behind trading on this particular gap as well. Coming to the buy stock for today, friends, I'm choosing INDUSIND as buy stock. Reason is simple. Look at Nifty and Bank Nifty, friends. You'll see negativity there. Okay, Bank Nifty on a 5-minute time frame, you clearly see it's going straight down. Okay, closure is at almost the day low. In case of INDUSIND Bank, we see some positivity here. Now this particular trend line is also broken, and we are expecting this one to break. So we will create a buy position somewhere here. Our target will be here, friends. Are we going to expect this target somewhere here? The answer is no. Reason is we are bearish on Nifty and Bank Nifty. We cannot be bullish on a particular stock for a very high targets. If you look at this stock very carefully, friends, you'll also see something called a, okay, I hope you understood, but the breakout is still not done. So once the breakout is done, yes, you can easily expect this kind of target and a little above that as well. Coming to sell stock for the day, it would be Britannia, friends. Look at the closing. Last two candles that it made was straight telling that it is a sell. First point. Second point, look at this pattern, friends. This is a kind of double top pattern wherein the second top is almost at 50% lower than the first top. If I zoom it a little more, clear all this, there is another double top pattern here as well. So keeping all these things in mind, also this breakdown is done and it has given a closing below this particular breakdown. So there is a high chance of it to come down and this would be our target. Okay friends, I hope you liked the video and you understood everything that I am trying to discuss with you. And if you have still not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and also share it with your friends, family members, relatives, anyone who is looking forward to make money from stock market. And wish you a profitable tomorrow, friends. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.